Hello, students. It's me, Mrs. Miller, with another third grade reading mini lesson. This standard is about capitalization. So let's take a look at capitalizing titles used as names, like mom and dad. The rule is capitalize family members if you can substitute a name in the sentence for mom, dad, aunt, grandmom, etc., and it still makes sense. For example, mom and I went to the movies with dad. If I substituted this word mom with my mom's name, Cindy. Cindy and I went to the movies with Tom. That's my dad's name. Since I can substitute mom and dad for my actual mom and dad's names because I call them mom and dad, then we capitalize the M for mom and the D in dad. So if, though, you're saying, my grandfather went fishing with my sister, grandfather would not be capitalized because I couldn't take my grandfather's name and replace it with the word grandfather and see if it makes sense. So if I said, so my grandfather's name is Lawrence. So if I said, my Lawrence went fishing with my sister, that would not make sense. So take a look at the rule one more time. Capitalize family members if you can substitute a name in the sentence for mom, dad, aunt, grandma, grandpa, and it still makes sense. The sentence that you will need to fix is right here. Say hi to my little guy. That's Reuben. So take this sentence here. As Opal and her father hunt for Winn-Dixie, Opal has a meltdown, which results in a new understanding between Opal and father. To complete this assignment, you can either recopy the sentence into the discussion and change all the capitalization mistakes. And here I see 1, 2, her father. No, that one doesn't need a capital. Hunt for Winn-Dixie, that's a name. Opal. And I'll let you decide down here. But if you decide you want to use a piece of paper to rewrite the sentence and attach your picture into the discussion, that would be awesome. I would really love to see some of your handwriting. So if I started to rewrite this sentence, it would look like as Opal needs a capital, as Opal and her father. And remember, students, we're not changing father to a capital F here because she's not referring to her father with the name father. Can we take Opal's dad's name and put it here and it still makes sense? So as Opal and her father, this remains a lowercase, hunt for Winn-Dixie. Both of those parts of the name of Winn-Dixie need a capital. Opal has a, and I'm going to let you finish, a meltdown which results in a new understanding between Opal and father. Here, she uses father as her dad's name. That will make that one a capital F there. Okay, enough hints. Let's see what you can do.